Hi everyone. We get asked to demonstrate corner windows with infinite openings quite a lot. So we're just going to do a quick demonstration here where we're going to show a corner window with a glass joint and two sliding windows sliding into that glass area. So we're starting with the infinite window in its default settings. Just going to change a few basic things here. So the client wants to see a sliding window going into a glass corner. So we're going to go to our design menu and panel arrangement first, and we're going to divide that into two and turn on the mullion, and we'll place this element first. So we're going to have identical windows on either side for this demonstration. Select both of these. Go to our corner settings, turn on the left, set it to glass, click OK. Now we'll move these into position, and we'll have a quick look at that in 3D. Okay, so that's the initial arrangement. Now we want to get a sliding window into here. So we'll go select both elements, back into the settings, go to our operable elements, nominate this panel to be our sliding X. Now we want to set that one. I'm going to set it to slide to the left, and we're going to put its position to be internal. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got now. Okay, so we have the sliding window, but obviously it's running into the mullion. So we need to either remove this mullion or reduce the size of it. So go back into the settings. We can go back to our panel arrangement page, and we can turn this mullion off. And now you can see the sort of setting that we have there with the glass sliding, the window sliding in beside the glass there, adjacent to the glass. So let's say we want a mullion in there to support that glass panel. Turn this mullion back on, go to our mullion page, uncheck that match frame entity, and set this to, let's say, 50. And external. Click OK. Now you can see that adjusts the positioning of the window, because this window is actually positioned relative to the mullion, not relative to the frame. So we need to go back into those settings, operable element, set, and we can change this to manual and set it the thickness of that mullion, so that it perfectly slides in adjacent to the mullion. Okay, now you can see we've got the right positioning there. However, we need to adjust the glass. Back into the settings. The glass is set up in the frame profile. So we go into the frame profile, you can see the glass is set to centered, and that's centered on the frame, not on the mullion. So we can change that to external. And now you can see the positioning there. Or if we want to center it on this mullion, we need to just remember the width of that mullion was 50. Set this to manual and set this to the halfway point of 25. Okay, and there is your sliding windows into a glass corner. Turn the cut off so we can see the full thing. And there you have it. Okay, I hope you appreciated seeing that. Obviously there are options as to how you can configure the positioning of each of those elements. It's also worth noting that when we did have the glass element without the mullion, we could have set the sliding panel to be purely glass as well. So we could just have a glass sliding on glass sort of scenario. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.